Imagine having a medical condition and not having the funds to get it treated. Well, that's the reality many people face each day. But this evening, TVJ's Kian Morgan tells us how doctors at the St. Anne's Bay Hospital helped out in that regard. More in this evening's Ray of Hope.
It's the opportunity of a lifetime for 25 persons who for years have been living with the discomfort of inguinal hernia. Inguinal hernia, a medical condition in which the intestine or the bladder protrudes through the abdominal wall or into the groin. Corrective surgery is a simple procedure, but the waiting list at hospitals is long. It's why doctors at the St. Anne's Bay Hospital in St. Anne chose it as a special project for their 90th anniversary.
Our aim was to actually cut down on our waiting time and the number of patients on our waiting list. We sat down as a team and we considered the ways in which we could do this. And we thought that we could volunteer our expertise and skills in actually offering this surgical procedure.
For Desmond Boswell, the opportunity couldn't have come any sooner. He said when he was told the cost to do it privately, he knew he couldn't afford it.
It cost 150,000 Jamaican. I didn't have that money at the time, so I went back to St. Anne's Hospital. Thank the Lord, I done the surgery, and everything was okay. No problem. The doctors on duty, they're excellent.
Dwayne Pierce has been struggling with hernia from birth. Years ago, he did a surgery, but his hernia came back.
Excessive pain and all of that, stopping from work very often mean not getting paid for those days, so I have to rectify the problem.
Acting Senior Medical Officer Tanya Hamilton Johnson says the surgery will improve patients' life.
They'll say to you that sometimes they have discomfort and it can compromise your working schedule. So significantly, it will affect their quality of life.
She adds it was a pleasure to bring relief.
Besides offering our community outreach to our community, we also find it's actually bring us as a family together. So we enjoy doing this as a volunteer effort.
With a ray of hope, I'm Kian Morgan.